gentlemen, welcome to Seattle. The local time is 7:51. Please keep your seatbelts on. Our pilots will turn off the seatbelt sign when it's safe to get up. Please leave your things where they are until we reach the gate. If your phone is close, you can take it out of airplane mode. With our baggage service guarantee, your bags will be in the baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate. If they're not, you'll receive a discount or miles towards a future flight. For information about connecting flights, check the monitors inside the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. In preparation for exiting the aircraft, please wear your face mask. Wait to stand until the row in front of you has moved down the aisle, and please keep your face mask on, covering your nose and mouth while passing through the airport. On behalf of all the employees at Alaska Airlines, we would like to thank you for flying with us today. We'd also like to congratulate our mileage plan members for earning at least 866 miles on this flight. You can visit alaskaair.com for more information on our award-winning mileage plan program. We look forward to seeing you again on a future Alaska flight. Welcome to Seattle.